The great white shark is an archetypal symbol of the primal power of nature. An apex predator, his highly evolved sensory perception and hydrodynamic design combine to secure his position at the top of the food chain. The ultimate eating machine, the great white has a voracious appetite, preferring to hunt prey with high contents of energy, rich fat. Utilizing his highly developed electrosensory organs, he can discern even the faintest electromagnetic field emitted by moving organisms, enabling him to detect his prey. He then employs his sharply honed sense of smell to confirm that his prey is food. Finally, at close range, he sets his sights and goes in for the kill.